Buenos días, estudiantes. Hoy es el 15 de abril y hoy es miércoles. Lo siento, no tengo miércoles hoy. Solo es miércoles. Muy bien. I'm so happy that you're here watching this video from me. I want to congratulate all of you who are staying in the class, doing the daily work. Some of you checked in with me yesterday via Google Meets. I'm going to right now have office hours every Tuesday and Thursday. I will send an update every Tuesday and Thursday morning with the link to join me. I also need to make sure that you are viewing the student video conferencing guidelines. It gives us sort of some guidelines, some just rules to follow as we're doing this, but I really enjoy seeing you. It's really nice to check in. Some of you are preferring email still or simply checking in just via Schoology, and that's just fine too. So I hope that everyone is healthy and doing well. Just a few updates here. Last week's trabajo diario daily work will be in this carpeta azul. And so if you have to go back into last week, there it is. And this week, el 13, lunes, 15 y 17, viernes is all in up above at the very top. So I'm going to go back into today's date. And it's loading. Sometimes Schoology can be slow. Sometimes these apps can take some time. So just be patient. If you're finding yourself to be frustrated and you're not getting anywhere, just step away from the computer and come back later. We totally understand it can be frustrating at times. So for today, you are going to post in the discussion thread the two questions below. Post both answers in one discussion thread, and this is today's assignment that I check, and it also marks you present. Pregunta número uno. Yo me quedo en casa means I stay at home. What does each of the 5 slogans mean? See the 5 attachments. You'll see them here. And use the illustrations to guide your understanding. Do not use Google Translate. So I want you to tell me what each of those 5 slogans mean. And then what would be your Yo me quedo en casa slogan in Spanish? Follow the rule of the ando or yendo ending, and create a slogan for yourself. First, view the video that explains gerunds. So gerunds make verbs turn into the ing. So I am eating, estoy comiendo. I am talking, estoy hablando. I am listening, estoy escuchando. I am sleeping, estoy durmiendo. And so this will give you some of the rules, and I want you to come up with your own Yo me quedo en casa slogan en español. That will be pregunta número 2. Número 3, actividad número 3. Please go back to your Flipgrid video for Señor Andia. He has posted a response to each of you. If you have not yet recorded your video for him, please do so. The directions are in the links. And there's also a video of me doing my own video for Señor Andia in Flipgrid. So just go back and check out his response to you. You can see his hair has gotten longer. He's recording from Chile, of course, and he said it has just been a pleasure to hear from all of you. Another update, we're still moving ahead with our plan to write the children's book. I am in touch with the kindergarten teacher. And the students will be responding to approximately 5 questions out of those 20 questions that we created in class. We're not sure about getting their pictures or videos to you. It's pretty challenging with kindergartners. It might just be their written responses. But this week I want you to start thinking about a theme for your children's book. What would you like to have as your theme in your children's book? And next week you will begin to write the story. And so there'll be a lot of focus starting next week strictly on the children's book. I'll be giving you resources on how to begin to write that, other ideas. I'll be reading you children's books, and I will be working with you as you begin your drafts of your stories. Please stay up with vocabulario número 4, gramática número 4, and Duolingo. It's suggested that you spend 5 to 10 minutes each day that we have La Clase de Español on the following. These are all very helpful for you as you also prepare yourselves in your children's book. Any questions, please do contact me, email, the Google Meets that we are starting to do this week, or just simply comments in the discussion thread on Schoology. I hope that you're doing well, and I will see you again either mañana, jueves, o viernes. Adiós!